I'm wondering whether we pull white backdrop. So the dress that you tried on before, got a new dress but mini version. So the top will be with the skirt and the trousers. Oh, gorgeous! Looks good. So this top, right, I'm actually making a bit shorter than it is. Slightly less shadowed, but I do like the house. Yeah. I mean, I really like this. Really nice. I did a shoot with Emily a couple of weeks ago now, and you did a really nice kind of like bent over one, which looked really nice. And like, I'll grab the bags in a second as well. But yeah.
Yeah, a little bit, maybe a little bit more space, like just to show off how the like top is sort of hanging. Very nice. Do you want some with bags? Do you want a bit of movement?
Yeah, like a little bit. I think just a little bit of everything, and then we can just see what's working and just go from there.
Cool.
So thinking of doing some sort of like hand movement to the side, getting the silhouette in, be fabulous. Maybe the other hand a little bit lower. Yeah. And a little bit like more like straighter. And if you want to like lean into it, a little twisty thing. This one was literally finished on Wednesday.
Yeah, nice.
We're just going to finish shooting these bags.
Yeah, no problem.
But yeah, thank you so much. Maybe just like the top bit, like
Ah, okay, that's fine.
do you know what I mean? And then arms.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies. Yay! It was really good. It was really exciting. It's always a bit nerve-wracking, like kind of going into it initially, because not sure what you're gonna get from it and what sort of content, and just excited to see the pictures really. Now it's just a case of kind of like packing everything down, getting all sorted. We've got another shoot scheduled for Sunday, so we're doing that down at Royal William Yard, doing like a location shoot. So I think it would be really nice to have a contrast between like the studio shots and the location ones as well.